My programming hero actually is probably here tonight. It's Ethan Marcotte. He kind of turned me on to both responsive design and mobile-first development, which have kind of been the staples that I've built most of my career off of. Don't sweat the details so much. Focus more on understanding the rationale behind why something is broken instead of trying to make something pixel perfect or trying to figure out like one weird technology to solve a niche problem. Kind of give up on something that's broken and move on. Honestly, just like the Web Standards Consortium in general, the ability to have these new technologies that are coming out constantly that I don't have to sweat the details of, or there's not some company controlling it. It's people like me building something for me so that we'll all have a nice, better life at the end of it. So stuff like Flexbox, the whole floating general web standards, I would say, have been the biggest impact. The most exciting thing in software for me would probably have to be pre-processing. Not necessarily the fact that we can pre-process, that's been around for a while, but the ability to utilize it in a way that more people can have access to it, that makes your websites faster in general or more thought out and allows you to focus more on the interesting rationale behind making a website rather than getting tripped up in the details. Probably sleeping at this point, but no, I can't think of anything else. I used to be a graphic designer, actually, and I grew up building websites, or not websites. I grew up building computers in my friend's basement, and that kind of got me turned on to computer development and the whole like computer science field. And so I actually dropped out of the design field in general to come do development full-time, and I couldn't do anything else. Probably this one that I'm making right now. I think so. I mean, like, if you were to make 1 trillion people, you could never have this face again. So I think this is pretty weird, in all honesty.
Awesome. Good job.
Awesome. Thanks, man.
Yeah, you did great.